always low prices at Pahrump Valley Auto Plaza.
We see the value of the public health vending machines and their availability in our community. And this is something that a lot of communities across the nation are doing now so that public has access to harm reduction methods in their community. So we wanted to offer this to our community, and we've got some vending machines available, and we'll be placing them throughout the community. We had wanted to place one at the community health nurse's office, and we did take that proposal to the commissioner's office, and unfortunately they didn't approve it, but that's not going to stop the process. We've got some other options. Certainly we were disappointed, but this is something that they've got to take into consideration. What's the best placement? And this is their area to decide on, and we certainly respect that. We'll still continue to make naloxone available here at NyECC Communities Coalition. People can come here, they can get trained, they can get access to fentanyl strips and other family planning and other materials that we have available. So we'll keep continuing to offer this service to the community. We'll continue to work with the commissioners and with the EMS services and others throughout our community to make sure this is available.
What they are is they include harm reduction items like naloxone, condoms, fentanyl testing strips. Right? Naloxone is used to reverse opioid overdose. The fentanyl testing strips are used so that people can test pills or any type of drug to make sure there's no fentanyl in it to avoid overdose. The vending machines, it's not like you got to put money in. It's just free to the community for the products inside.
Certainly, if the commissioners, want to, if they're concerned about one specific thing, and maybe that's something that we can have a conversation with one of them about, if there was a very specific, hey, we would want to avoid the fentanyl strips or something of that nature. By its nature, because of the grant funding that we received, it must include the naloxone itself. But the other items are things that we can negotiate with. We talked about putting wound care and some other things in them also. We can certainly have those conversations. Or if the circumstances change and they say, okay, we didn't want it here, but we do want it there. We work closely with the county and with the commissioners. And so this is something that we'll be able to continue to figure out how to get access to it. The most important thing for us is to recognize that people that are in their addictions or are recovering from their addictions, we want them to survive. We want them to live through the addiction that they're dealing with so that we can help them become productive members of society. These people are our friends, our neighbors, our coworkers, and so we want to make sure that we're providing a safe place for them. If someone's wanting to reach out to us for supplies for fentanyl strips or for naloxone training, they can call us at 775-727-9970. They can come here at 1020 East Wilson and 8 to 5 Monday through Friday, or they can email us let's have them email Michael, Michael, at NyECC.org, and we can set up either a training. We can bring trainings to your business, or we can let you know as an individual when our next training is.